Question 1. An aqueous solution contains the same amount of Pb2 plus and Cu2 plus ions. Aqueous ammonia is added until in excess. After shaking, the mixture is filtered. And the question asks what will be left on the filter paper. So for this question, first we need to identify that aqueous ammonia is a cation-based reagent. And now we need to look at the observation when it is added in excess for Pb2 plus ion and Cu2 plus ion. So I want to remind all the students to memorize the observation for the cations. For Pb2 plus, in excess, aqueous ammonia, the white PPT formed is insoluble in excess aqueous ammonia. Whereas for copper 2 plus ion, blue precipitate formed and it's soluble in excess to give a dark blue solution. So when aqueous ammonia is added in excess, the resultant mixture will contain a white precipitate in a dark blue solution. Therefore, when the mixture is filtered, what will be left on the filter paper will be the residue, which is the white PPT. And the answer for this question would be option B.